Hi folks, welcome back to my channel. We have a twist of fate. Twisties, as we are all quite acquainted with this term. Yesterday, I was supposed to do a straight swap of tires at the Tussmotor. Guess what? I was late because of the rains. And by the time I reached, they didn't have any more slots left for me. The next one available was on the 4th of September. So yeah, I was left with no luck because I have a couple of rides coming up. So I tried my luck, and luckily Prätkäpaja, there is another motorcycle repair shop who had the TKC 70s in stock. I was weighing in on a couple of them, like as I mentioned yesterday. My first choice was the 50/50 Trailmax Mission from Dunlop, but seems my riding style is more suited to being 70% on tarmac and around 30% off-road gravel roads. So the TKC 70s are more suitable for me. I made this decision, and then I'm off to Prätkäpaja for the change. Let's hope the team at Prätkäpaja helps me out, and it's a quick one. Here I am at Prätkäpaja. They have a big workshop as well as wind storage, and they also change tires. The one thing that I have experienced here, being here for the first time, is that the staff has been very helpful. They are knowledgeable enough, and they guided me in getting onto my choice of tire. It's a wonderful experience. So if one visits here, they will be registered with their name, the registration number, phone number, email address, and next time onwards when we visit, it'll be an easy task. I'm expecting to learn a lot from this store visit, and probably my service and repairs would be also coming to this place.
Saatte testailla. Vertaan.
So we are going with the TKC 70, and here comes the TKC 70. Okay, so the tires have finally been changed, and the first 50 to 100 kilometers at least I have to drive slowly, no rushing. From the workshop to my home, it was just a few kilometers, so the tires are yet to settle down. They are the Continental TKC 70. I am now going on the first official ride. Well, I would rather say it's the first official seasoning ride on the TKC 70s, and I shall share my experience. Okay, so this is time for a quick review. After having ridden almost like 54 kilometers today, through twisties, through country road, through gravel road, through forests, I can say that the TKC Continental TKC 70 feels a lot more inspiring, and I would say it held fine in the forest roads. Even though it was a new tire, there were quite a lot of ups and downs, uphill, downhill, and nowhere did I feel that the bike was slipping or losing grip. The most important thing, or the most recognizable difference that I feel now as compared to what I used to have earlier, is I had the front one Michelin's. Well, Michelin was fine. It was a road tire. It was 80/20. This one is claimed to be 70/30, so 70% road, 30% off road. But it feels really good on the road. It's quite planted. And the rear ones, I had a weird combination. It was a Mitas E-08 and it was the Dakar version, so it was fully off-road compatible tire. On road it was not it was not good to drive on asphalt, I would say. It quite wobbly, and there was a lot of tire noise. Now the bike feels a lot quiet, so this is one of the major difference. The ride quality has improved. The bike is a lot quicker, and predominantly one of the most important things that I noticed on this 54 kilometer trail, because I'm again going back another 54 kilometers, a total of 108 kilometers up and down, the average fuel consumption of the motorcycle seems to have improved. If I convert whatever readings I'm getting on the motorcycle, it's approximately around 3.9 kilometers or 3.9 liters per 100 kilometers, so it's quite good. If I would compare it to my previous tires, it was coming close to 4.6, 4.9, so it is a good improvement over the previous rating, even though it does not seem like very good with the numbers. But still, overall, if I consider on a longer distance, it is quite good. And overall, the ride quality, the comfort, it sticks to the road. And these TKC 70s, they heat up quite fast, so it does not take a long time for these tires to get a good grip on the road. It should work fine during the winters. It's summer here, so during the winter I will try this, even though in Finland this beautiful weather turns into an all-white mode during the winters. I don't really drive when it is a lot of snow, but during probably October, end of October, when the road conditions will be or might be a little bit slippery towards the morning, there would be fog, there would be some mist on the road. Yeah, I will try to drive, and probably I'll post my review comments at that time. As of now, I feel quite confident that these tires have been a good choice over the 50/50 Trailmax, Dunlop Trailmax Missions. Very good. So here I would conclude the vlog, and stay tuned for next upcoming adventures, because once these tires once this tire has settled down, I would be taking it on longer drives. What I also changed along with the tires were the chain. It is a new chain, and the sprockets, both of them have been changed. So overall, the bike is in a good condition and ready for longer trips. Thank you for being with me throughout this entire journey, and stay tuned. Please like, share and subscribe if you have enjoyed my videos this far, and yeah, post your comments if you want something more to come up in the upcoming videos. some new ideas, I would very much appreciate them. Thank you. Stay happy, stay healthy. Bye-bye.